Engine oil flushes promise a cleaner engine and smoother performance, but not all of them are what they seem. Some products can actually damage your seals, thin your oil, and turn a routine oil change into catastrophic engine failure. The real challenge is knowing which bottle belongs under your hood and which you better leave on the shelf. Choosing the wrong engine oil flush can cost you thousands. Let's talk about the 5 you should not use and the 5 that actually work. Number 5. Flamingo Engine Flush. Ever wonder why some engine flushes work in just minutes? That speed comes at a cost. Flamingo Engine Flush relies on a refined oil solvent base designed to dissolve sludge as quickly as possible. While the company claims it can restore gasket elasticity, the reality is far less reassuring. Solvent-based flushes thin your engine oil, dry out seals, and dislodge sludge so fast that debris has nowhere to go but straight into your oil passages. The real danger here is what happens after the flush. Loosened sludge can block oil galleries, starving critical engine components of lubrication. In older or high-mileage engines, that kind of sudden debris release can trigger new leaks or even catastrophic engine failure. Speed is the enemy. Fast fixes create slow failures. If it cleans in minutes, the damage can last years. And while Flamingo rushes through the cleaning process, the next product on our list takes a similar approach with even less transparency. Number 4. STP Engine Flush. STP is a name most drivers recognize from decades of marketing, but name recognition doesn't equal seal protection. The problem with STP Engine Flush starts with what the company doesn't tell you. Unlike reputable brands that clearly disclose detergent-based formulations, STP emphasizes rapid cleaning without clarifying exactly how it achieves that speed. Industry sources and experienced repair shops have long cautioned that quick-acting flushes are typically solvent-based. That means the same risks apply here: oil thinning, seal damage, and sudden debris release. What makes STP particularly misleading is its high-mileage labeling. Many drivers assume that means it's gentler on aging engines. The opposite is often true. High-mileage engines have worn seals that are far more vulnerable to aggressive solvents. A fast flush can turn small seepage into overnight leaks, leaving you with oil spots on your garage floor and a repair bill you didn't see coming. If STP's vague formulation raises red flags, the next product on our list throws caution to the wind entirely. Number 3. Solder Seal Gunk or Motormedic Motor Flush. At least this product is honest about what it is. Solder Seal Gunk is openly marketed as a sludge-dissolving solvent that you add just minutes before draining your oil. The instructions are simple. Pour it in, run the engine briefly, and drain. But that simplicity hides serious risks. The product carries classic solvent flush warnings: oil thinning, seal damage, and sudden debris release. It's also explicitly not recommended for turbocharged engines, which should tell you something about its chemical aggressiveness. Turbos operate at extreme temperatures and tight tolerances. If a flush isn't safe for them, it's worth asking what it might be doing to the rest of your engine. The fundamental problem with gunk is that it's designed for speed, not safety. In a well-maintained engine, that might not matter, but in a neglected engine with years of sludge buildup, this product can unleash a flood of debris that clogs passages and destroys components faster than you can say, "check engine light." But if gunk speed concerns you, wait until you see what's actually inside the next 2 products. Number 2. Performa Lubricants Diesel Engine Flush. Now we're entering genuinely dangerous territory. Performa Lubricants Diesel Engine Flush isn't just aggressive. Its own safety data sheet classifies it as flammable and carcinogenic. Take a moment to let that sink in. A product designed to circulate through your engine carries cancer warnings. The ingredient list reads like a chemistry lab nightmare, containing powerful industrial hydrocarbons, not the gentle detergents your engine needs. While they'll certainly strip away deposits, they'll also attack seals, thin your oil to dangerous levels, and leave residue that can cause problems long after the flush is complete. Here's a simple rule of thumb. If a chemical requires carcinogen warnings on its safety sheet, it has no business circulating inside your engine. The risk to your health during handling, combined with the risk to your engine during use, makes this product one to avoid completely. And yet, as dangerous as Performa is, the number 1 product to avoid takes chemical aggression to an entirely new level. Number 1. Bell Performance Engine Flush. Bell Performance Engine Flush is the most chemically aggressive flush on this list, and mechanics strongly warn against using it. The safety data sheet doesn't just list health hazards. It classifies this product as mutagenic, carcinogenic, and a specific target organ toxicant. In plain English, this flush can damage your DNA, cause cancer, and harm specific organs in your body. The ingredient list explains why. Combined with the other harsh solvents in this formula, you're looking at a chemical cocktail that can devastate rubber seals, dilute oil beyond safe operating levels, and cause internal engine damage that shows up long after the flush is complete. The equation is simple. Extremely aggressive chemistry equals extremely high risk. This isn't a product for DIY mechanics or professional shops. It's a liability waiting to happen, and it has no place anywhere near your engine. Now that we've cleared out the pretenders, let's shift gears and talk about the real deal. These are the engine oil flushes that actually work, backed by proven ingredients and results you can count on. Number 5. Seafoam motor treatment for crankcase use. Seafoam has been around since the 1940s, and its longevity speaks to its effectiveness. Unlike the solvent-based flushes we just covered, Seafoam uses a petroleum-based detergent formula that works with your engine rather than against it. When added to oil before a change, it reliquefies sludge gradually, allowing contaminants to drain out safely with the old oil. The key word here is gradually. Seafoam doesn't try to strip away years of buildup in 5 minutes. It dissolves deposits over time, which means debris stays suspended in the oil rather than breaking free in chunks that can clog passages. Mechanics trust Seafoam because it's gentle, affordable, widely available, and consistently effective when used correctly. For routine maintenance on engines that aren't heavily sludged, it's an excellent choice. But if your engine needs something designed specifically for older or more sensitive systems, the next product takes a more targeted approach. Number 4. Lubiguard Engine Flush with LXE technology. Lubiguard takes a different approach to engine cleaning. Its formula is built on synthetic detergents with absolutely no harmful solvents. That makes it one of the safest options available for engines with aging seals or components that might be vulnerable to chemical damage. The LXE technology in Lubiguard's formula is designed to clean varnish, sludge, and combustion byproducts while actively protecting seals and gaskets throughout the process. It works gradually rather than aggressively, making it ideal for older vehicles or engines that haven't been maintained on a strict schedule. Mechanics trust Lubiguard because it delivers consistent results without the risks that come with harsher products. It's also safe for repeated use, which means you can incorporate it into your regular maintenance routine without worrying about cumulative damage. And if you need professional-grade chemistry that goes beyond just your engine, the next product offers even more versatility. Number 3. AMSOIL Engine and Transmission Flush. AMSOIL has built its reputation on professional-grade products, and their engine and transmission flush lives up to that standard. The formula uses detergents and dispersants suspended in light base oil, which allows sludge to dissolve without shocking the engine. That controlled approach is exactly what separates effective flushes from dangerous ones. What sets AMSOIL apart is its versatility. Unlike products designed solely for engine crankcases, this flush is also approved for use in automatic transmissions. That dual-purpose capability makes it a valuable addition to any garage. Mechanics trust AMSOIL because its chemistry is designed for controlled cleaning rather than quick fixes. It dissolves deposits progressively, keeps debris suspended, and protects seals throughout the process. For drivers who want professional results without professional prices, AMSOIL delivers. But if your engine is burning oil or showing signs of compression loss, the next product targets those specific problems. Number 2. BG EPR 109 Engine Performance Restoration. BG products are a staple in professional repair shops, and the EPR 109 is one of their most respected formulas. This detergent-based flush is specifically designed to target piston ring deposits and micropassages, the areas where buildup causes the most performance problems. If your engine is consuming oil, losing compression, or running rough despite fresh oil, this is the product mechanics reach for. What makes BG EPR 109 special is its precision. Rather than trying to clean everything at once, it focuses on the deposits that actually affect performance. By restoring proper piston ring function, it can reduce oil consumption, restore compression, and bring back power that's been slowly fading over thousands of miles. And unlike aggressive solvents, it's specifically designed to be harmless to seals and engine components. Professional shops trust it because it solves real problems without creating new ones. And for those who want the absolute best in engine flush technology, the the #1 product consistently outperforms everything else on the market. Number 1. Liqui-Moly ProLine Engine Flush. Liqui-Moly's ProLine Engine Flush is widely regarded as the best overall engine flush available. Independent automotive publications consistently rank it at the top, and for good reason. The formula uses advanced detergents rather than solvents, which means it cleans sludge efficiently without the risks that come with harsher chemistry. What truly sets Liqui-Moly apart is its compatibility. This flush is safe for turbochargers, catalytic converters, and diesel particulate filters. That's critical for modern vehicles loaded with emissions equipment that can be damaged by aggressive chemicals. The cleaning action is controlled and effective, dissolving deposits gradually while protecting every seal and gasket in the system. Like other detergent-based flushes, Liqui-Moly is typically added before an oil change, idled for 10 to 15 minutes, and then drained along with the old oil. What you're left with is a clean engine ready for fresh oil, with no debris blockages, no seal damage, and no nasty surprises. Mechanics trust Liqui-Moly because it delivers exactly what it promises: controlled, effective cleaning without the drama. Some engine flushes protect your seals, while others slowly tear them apart. Now that you know which ones to trust, the choice is in your hands. Have you tried any of these products before? Let us know in the comments, and click here for the next video in which we share real car advice that can save you thousands. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.